Okay, to create a location in Dronedesk, you can click either on the locations menu item or on the locations card in your dashboard, and then on the new location button top right. The location name has to be unique for your business in the system. So let's just call this test one. There are three distinct ways to create locations. One is use a what3words address. Second is to use a postcode. And the third is to pan, zoom, and double click on the map. So let's use that last approach first. Let's just zoom in randomly to a location and then double click. You'll see the radius. So you've got 30 meters, 50, 150 and 500 meters, the kind of relevant radiuses for a flight. And you'll see Dronedesk has picked up the what3words address. It hasn't been able to find a postcode for this location. Flat and long, grid reference and elevation. So all things that you would normally need to look at manually. The street address and city aren't compulsory when creating a location, but you can enter them if you want to. There's an optional field for category, so you might want to categorize locations, as, for example, wind farm or solar farm, that kind of thing. There's a notes field. Again, all this is optional. You don't have to enter them. Click Save New Record, and we've got record saved successfully. So I'll close that. I'll now create a location based on postcode. So new location, we'll call this test 2. Enter a postcode. Tab out the field and the map will zoom into that postcode area. You'll see Dronedesk has gone away and got the what3words, lat and long, grid ref and elevation. So all you need to do is now double click on the precise location on that map that your flight will be taken off from. You've got options in terms of the map view, so you can look at satellite view, you can look at, there's a couple of satellite views, some are more up to date than others. So let's go satellite and let's say we're going to take off from that garden there. So double click on the map. The radiuses get drawn and the map centers in on that location. Click Save, that's done. And then the final approach is using the what3words address. So again, new location. To get the address, just click on the what3words icon here. That'll open the what3words map where you can search for an address like you would in Google, for example. If you've not come across what3words, it's a fantastic application that essentially splits the world into 3-meter squares and gives each separate square a 3-word address, a unique 3-word address. So you can identify any location within 3 meters simply by using 3 words. So again, you can pan and zoom on the map. So let's move that into that location. Click on the address, frame opens in the right hand side, click on the name there and it will get copied to your clipboard. Type it in or copy it into the what3words field and Dronedesk will do the rest for you. It will try and find a postcode, a matching postcode for that location, but more often than not it won't find one, particularly if it's a remote location, but it's not necessary. Okay, so that's the third approach for creating a location. And again, to find that location, you have the option, as you do for all other records in Dronedesk, to view, edit, archive and delete. You can also create a new job directly from a location by clicking that option. Okay, now you know how to create a location in Dronedesk. Thanks for watching.